निफ्टी 50 ट्रेडर्स के दिलों की हार्टबीट और इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट की जान। क्या आपने आज की निफ्टी की शॉकिंग मूवमेंट देखी? इफ नॉट, कोई बात नहीं। इन नेक्स्ट 6 minutes we are going to completely decode today's market movement, some key levels, option chain analysis and main headlines making buzz on Dalal Street. Everything at one place in these 6 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट उदोक, एक नॉर्मल सा सीधा सा और बहुत ही आर्म ट्रेडर, लेकिन आर्म विद plenty of retail trading experience and today's market data with a professional perspective. आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर, जहाँ हम बातें करते हैं बिल्कुल बेसिक्स टू ब्रिलियंस की। तो शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। Today market action remained muted and range bound. All eyes are on upcoming triggers. Nifty 50 closed at 25,060, down by 29 points, around minus 0.12%. Opening थी 25,166 के आसपास, डे हाई लगा 25,182, but bulls could not hold higher levels. Sensex closed almost flat at 82,186, down by 13 points. Trading day was narrow in range, sentiment cautious due to recent FI outflows and global cues. If we see the Nifty 50 chart and with a technical point of view, Nifty 50 आज पूरे दिन 25,035 से 25,182 की रेंज में ट्रेड करता रहा। प्राइस एक्शन डिसाइसिवली साइडवेज था। सपोर्ट जोन अब 24,900 एंड 25,000 पे है, वाइल रेजिस्टेंस एट 25,200 एंड 25,250 के आसपास है। ट्रेंड स्टिल लैक्स मोमेंटम, अनलेस 25,200 ब्रेक होता है, मार्केट साइडवेज ही रहने की संभावना है। इंडिकेटर्स पॉज मोड में है और कंसोलिडेशन फेज इंटैक्ट है। If we have a look at the option chain and the OI analysis, maximum call open interest build up at 25,200, immediate resistance for this expiry, while maximum put OI at 25,000, यही अब short term support zone है। Outstanding changes which could be observed was call writing visible at 25,100 and 25,200 strikes, put writers fighting hard to defend 25,000, while PCR that is put to call ratio is close to neutral, showing balanced but slightly cautious sentiment. ओपन इंटरेस्ट चेंज के बेसिस पर अभी एक्सपायरी तक 25,000 एंड 25,200 की रेंज डोमिनेट करेगी। ब्रेक ऑन आइदर साइड विल सेट नेक्स्ट ट्रेंड। Institutional activity, DIIs bought equity worth 5,444 CR, while FIs took out their money worth rupees 3,566 CR. Coming on to sectoral performance, except Nifty FinServ, all sectoral indices closed in red today. Heaviest declines were seen in media, PSU banks, pharma and realty. While Nifty Metal, Energy, IT, Financial Services and Banking सभी में नॉर्मल सेलिंग देखी गई। ब्रॉडर मार्केट ऑल्सो underperformed with mid cap index slipping 0.6% and small cap also ending lower. Having a look at the Nifty top gainers and losers, top gainers were Eternal at 10, almost 10% up, HDFC Life, Hindalco, Titan and Bharat Electronics. While all those which could not shine much were Adani Ports, Eicher Motors, Shriram Finance, all down 2 to 2.2%, Jio Financial Services and Z Entertainment. Overall market breadth decliners dominated, with 1673 shares falling while 1279 advanced. 205 decided to not show much change. India VIX dropped but further by 4% to 10.75, volatility at one of its lowest points in recent months. Market remains very calm, bordering on the complacent side. Some key news and events. Q1 results के चलते stock specific moves prominent रहे, specifically in Eternal यानी कि Zomato. It soared after the strong results. Disappointment in PSU banks and media stocks weighed on sentiment. Global cues are mixed. US market resilience but local caution due to foreign outflows. F&O expiry week adds to defensive trading bias. Overall, today's session was a classic consolidation day, low volatility, tight range and defensive sector moves. Key watch points for coming days will be Q1 earnings flows, especially from major banks and IT companies. Option expiry के vibrations, particularly around 25,000 to 25,200 Nifty range. Monitor FI and DI activity very closely for any sentiment reversal. Keep an eye on India VIX. Sustained low volatility can trigger sharp movements unexpectedly. If you appreciated this formal, content-rich market analysis, please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. We strive to bring you authentic, data-driven content every day. The path to 1 million subscriber continues, but each one of you is the key to that milestone. Are you with us? Please be there. Share the channel with everyone who deserves smarter market knowledge. After all, if it matters to you, it matters to us. See you in the next episode. Until then, invest smart, invest safe, and keep it classy. With this, I sign off, your host and friend on Trade Investor, always delivering from basics to brilliance. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.